Joan Lindsay, the author of Picnic at Hanging Rock, had a lifelong connection to this place. Around 1900, when she was 4, Joan was here on a family picnic when she wandered off by herself and had a profound experience, the details of which she would never reveal. Later in her life, her friends described her as being a mystic. They said she had a really deep sense of connection with nature in this place. And they said that sometimes Joan knew things before they would happen. I know. Joan had an unusual relationship with time and experienced what she called time slips, tears in the fabric of reality. Her friends said she sometimes saw events that occurred in the past, like they were happening in the present moment. She resonated with Einstein's idea that the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. The experience of writing her famous book, 66 years after her childhood picnic here, is as mysterious as the rock itself. Listen to this. One bleak winter's day in 1966, Joan, now aged 70, woke in the morning after having a peculiar dream with unusual clarity, centering on a picnic at Hanging Rock. It felt so real she could still feel the hot summer breeze blowing through the gum trees when she woke, and hear the laughter and conversation of the people at the picnic. She began writing every detail of the dream down. That night, she dreamed again. The following day, she wrote it all down. The book was finished in less than 2 weeks.
Wow.